Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. We are so excited to bring you this Audi A5 S-Line Plus S Tronic, powered by a 2-litre TDI engine with the Audi famous quattro all-wheel drive system, improving driving performance all year round. We also have an exciting list of factory-fitted extras on this car. The beautiful white colour is enhanced by a list of upgraded extras, including the black styling package, black roof rails, privacy glass with sun protection glazing adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and the 20-inch 5 twin-spoke off-road design alloys, finishing off the exterior beautifully. This Audi benefits from a spec list that adds to the convenience, safety and performance of every drive, including the automatic headlight range adjustment and the upgraded heated electrically adjustable folding door mirrors with auto dimming and memory function. To the rear of the car we have this spacious boot, perfect for shopping and luggage, giving you lashing eyes, boot lighting, netting and the amazing powered tailgate, perfect for if you're ever in a rush or your hands are full of shopping. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests, a pull-down armrest in the middle and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. When entering the cabin of this car you are greeted by the stunning black leather upholstery with the S-Line branding on the front sport seats. These pair beautifully with the black headlining and the matte brushed aluminium inlays, making the cabin look sleek and stylish. Just below the seats we have the S-Line branded door sill trims, and adding to the comfort and luxury of every drive we have the 3-way heated front seats. On the dash we have the black leather wrapped steering wheel with paddle shift, improving the performance of every drive, as well as multi-function, helping you safely and easily control the central driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral, helping to create a safer journey. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 7-inch high-resolution display screen, featuring the likes of satellite navigation with dynamic route guidance, perfect for all those unknown roads, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and other car settings. It also displays the parking aid, alleviating all of your parking worries. Just below, we have the dual climate controls, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable. We also have the 3-way heated seats controls. In between the front seats we have the electronic parking brake as well as the automatic transmission, the MMI controls, and just underneath the armrest we have additional storage space. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.